Thanks for joining us on Focus on Africa from BBC World News. Rescue workers have been struggling to reach tens of thousands of people who have been cut off after Tropical Storm Anna swept through parts of southern Africa last week. The storm made landfall in Madagascar last Monday before plowing a destructive path across into Mozambique and Malawi. More than 80 people across the three countries are known to have died. Many more are still missing. The storm brought torrential rains which flattened homes, washed away roads and bridges, and drowned livestock. In Malawi, President Lazarus Chakwera has been visiting communities affected by the flooding. Our Southern Africa correspondent Nomsa Maseko sent this report from Tyre in southern Malawi.
The effects of Tropical Storm Anna are being felt across the southern African region. Here in Malawi, roads and bridges that were swept away by flooding are currently being reconstructed. Earlier today, President Lazarus Chakwera visited this area to assess the damage.
The devastation in terms of infrastructure, destruction, roads, electricity, availability and other things compound the loss of life. We are grateful that it could have been worse. People had been warned in advance, and yet they never had an idea, judging from previous experiences, that this warning meant what.
This area was affected by flooding back in 2015, but the people who live here have told me that the floods they've seen in recent days is something that they've never experienced in their lives. All that water moved from there and went on higher ground and swept away some of the houses, and have said that the winds were so strong that the houses here lost their roofs. Churches and schools such as this one have been turned to shelters to accommodate the thousands of people who have lost their homes because of the flooding. It's unknown how long they're going to stay here, because reconstructing all those houses could take a while.